Hello friends, today in this video I will show you remove email address from login screen in Windows 11. So how to remove this email address from login screen? So very easy and quick way I will show you to remove this. So first we need to open setting app. So need to simply search this settings app and open it. Now here need to click on accounts. In this list you see this account option. Now in right side you need to see this here you see this sign in options, so click on it. Now scroll down and you see this show account detail. Show us my email address on the sign in screen, so enable this option or turn on this option. Just click on it to turn on. You see this is turn on. Now close it. So this way you can easily remove email address from login screen in Windows 11. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.